Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of replacing the AIO pendiente motherboard. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure to have a container ready for screws to avoid losing them during the process. Before starting, ensure that your device is powered off and unplugged. Safety is paramount. Attach the anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to the components. Now, let's begin disassembly. Start by removing the screws on the back panel of the device. Typically, there are 4 to 6 screws, depending on the model. Use the Phillips head screwdriver for this step. Once the screws are removed, gently pry the back panel off using the flathead screwdriver. Be careful not to apply too much force as this could damage the casing. With the back panel off, locate the AIO pendiente motherboard. It is usually secured with additional screws. Remove these screws using the Phillips head screwdriver. As you remove each screw, place it in your container to keep track of them easily. Next, disconnect all cables connected to the motherboard. This includes power cables, data cables, and any other connectors. It's important to take note of where each cable connects, so consider taking a photo for reference. If you find that you don't have the tools or experience for this, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the best assistance possible. Once all cables are disconnected, carefully lift the motherboard out of the case. Before installing the new motherboard, take a moment to clean the internal area of the device. Use a microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol to clean any dust or debris. This will help with airflow and keep your device running smoothly. Now, it's time to install the new AIO pendiente motherboard. Align it in the same position as the old one, making sure that all screw holes match up. Gently press it down to secure it in place. Reattach all the screws that you removed earlier. It's essential to ensure they are tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening, which can damage the motherboard. After securing the motherboard, reconnect all cables, following the reference photo you took earlier for accuracy. Before closing the back panel, double-check that everything is connected properly and that there are no loose cables. If you're unsure, we can provide a quote before repair to give you clarity on any additional services you might need. Once everything is connected, replace the back panel and secure it with screws. Ensure that all screws are tightened, but remember not to over-tighten. Finally, plug in your device and power it on. Check for any issues and ensure that everything is functioning as it should. If you encounter any problems, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, no calls, no travel, just convenience at your fingertips. Enjoy your newly upgraded device. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.